to you. I have to go to the gym every day. I go a little more skinny.
You should say, I'd be, if you wanted me to be honest, truth, I don't see nothing.
I don't think you lose weight.
No, right? I don't see nothing. You know what I see? I see you change the hair color.
And make it like a blonde.
Yeah, you look at tipo come chi da parlando se.
You see the guy that got $20 special win, he win $250,000? Più soldi hanno, more money they spend. And they get lucky. $250,000. She's rich from the grandma.
Yeah, my grandma told me that they're ready for the money, you know. And my husband staying with me only for the money.
E su fango he waited for you to die.
Yeah. He told me every day, when you die, when you fucking die.
You fucking die. You fucking die. You fucking figure in merda. Ma se tu non me ne prendi culo ci fai fare le henne fucking. You don't need a hen.
After you grab my money, you gotta give it to him.
I know.
You gotta give it to him.
You don't worry about it, we take you, we go out with dance.
That's it, that's fun.
Divorce.
I live in
Divorce.
Soon, very soon.
I live in my husband at home. My husband don't want to do shit. Sit there all day on television, lie. And news, they fucking got me fucking crazy on my head. They're killing my fucking life.
Ma che ti dire, però, mio marito lose the job.
He loses
They lose the job, mio marito. And now I don't know,
You tell him go looking for a new job?
I told me, gotta see, I gotta take an employment right now.
Unemployment.
I'd be honest with you, però nobody get offended, please. No offense, perché siamo nice friends. Però I think che tuo marito, your husband, he's a little bit lazy. A little bit lazy.
Little basta, too much. I told you to cut my fucking grass. I don't wanna cut my grass.
No, Monday, la febbre alta. O Tuesday, my ankle hurt. O Wednesday, piove. O Thursday, he's got a fucking thing every day. We know him, right? We know.
I'm sorry, she shoots. Your husband, we see. We don't say nothing to you no more. Now he loses the job, he don't want to do shit. The marito specialmente, all day. Facebook, tutta in all day. I don't know what he does. I gotta look.
My marito, all day, 6:30 in the morning, he già c'ave un TikTok in mano. He's doing like it is all day long. Never stop.
My husband the same. What's up? Every day.
What's up? What are you doing on WhatsApp?
I don't know what the fuck it is. I told him, let's go to bed and do some sex, you know, together.
Oh, sex? What's up?
What's up?
But let me ask you something. You still just as sexy? Oh, yeah. Every day. And he don't do nothing?
Do nothing.
But
I think it's gay.
I get a friend, child. I get a friend.
hey, maybe you think he...
Ci sta tiracchio.
now we speak.
Allora.
You give it the Modium, this?
They get dick go up.
No stop. I feel like a paradise.
How many you take a Modium? How many? Maybe I put in no food in my husband.
You're supposed to take 30 minutes before you have the sex and ma io ce ne voglio 2. I give them 2.
Io ce ne voglio fare, però.
No, adattati.
I don't give a fuck.
Stavolta si non chiede. We're kidding.
I give you another thing. This is good for the sex. Okay. But I give you another one. The he's gonna die in action. In the bed.
E tu cercare, è già la farmacia.
Listen, I don't want to kill my husband. I like my husband, però he penny ass su Facebook. I think he look at tu sei in time nata perché però quei pitazzi non ce ne vedo, mentito dalle orecchie everything.
Io quindi la stessa situazione. My husband take a phone, finish dinner, sit, Instagram. I don't. My love, what are you watching though? Don't worry. Not your problem. This is what I'm watching myself.
She's fucking right because my husband saying shit. No worry. I'll be right there. He go to the bathroom. 20, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Oh, 1 hour in the bathroom. What do you do? He do the Facebook and he don't come out to the fucking bathroom.
One night, he goes sleep. So I go take the phone. So I have the code open.
Oh, you have the
Look
code.
at what I see. You see it? Okay.
He made it like
Yeah,
the woman.
Cornuto gira. Visto è gira.
Visto che fai come?
È gira, visto.
Cheater, that's nice. Because now he don't work, he unemployed, he don't making no money, and now he's looking at other women. And two, you try to lose weight, you looking nice and nice. Capi dice un'antica non mignolino. You're so nice because you do your hair for him. You know, they know what this fucking husband, they don't fucking appreciate nothing. They don't appreciate nothing. They're all the same. They don't appreciate nothing. They don't appreciate that. Listen, I tell you, tu tai nata, I cook, I clean the house, I wash his clothes. He come home and I have a little dinner ready for him. Never I did it. But thank you very much. I appreciate it. No, I appreciate nothing. He do like nothing. Like you don't even appreciate it. I want to say one thing. I want to raise the caffè, and I want to say. Fuck tutti i husband, siamo free, independent women, and non ho bisogno di nobody.
Non mi no,